Hey everybody, it's Lee at 10 Jack. Just wanted to talk about furnaces today. This unit is gas heat, and we can tell by the black pipe feeding out of the unit connected to the yellow flexible pipe that then is connected to black pipe for the service. So effectively what that means is inside of the furnace, the heating element, the heat is actually powered by gas fire. There are also electric models that use electricity for heat. This particular one is gas. This is the cold air return. So effectively, as the blower at the bottom pushes air up through both of these boxes and either picks up the heat from the furnace or the cold air from the air conditioner and up into the house, it pushes that air up in, and ultimately the air, in order to not create a vacuum, comes back down here and feeds back in. So there's a continuous loop of air anytime the blower is going. The furnace filter on this unit is located here. Now you will notice on the filters that they actually have a directional arrow. It's not showing on this end of the filter. Let me pull it out and take a look. You can see this arrow here, which indicates the direction of the air. You always know which direction the air is going. The blower is putting it up through the house. It comes back down through this return, and therefore we know that the air is pointing this direction. Another thing to check when trying to consider a house is how dirty the filter is. This one is pretty gray. These things are bright white when they're put in. And you can see on the return side, it would appear that there's some animal hair and dust. Somewhat dirty, but certainly not the worst I've seen. Now, why do I check that? It is indication of how well maintained the furnace unit has been in the home. If today that thing is completely clogged, that means they've not really done an active job of maintaining the unit, and that could cause problems. It could cause debris to get up inside of these components, which could cause them wear and tear and ultimately cause them to fail. It could also just cause a lot more strain on the motor, because keeping air going through in that continuous cycle is more and more difficult as the air is struggling to get through a very dirty filter. I've now opened the panels for both the motherboard and blower. The motherboard is what receives the communication from the thermostat and effectively controls all of the electric parts of the furnace and air conditioner. And the furnace itself, again, this one's gas. You can see the gas line feeding in. There are 3 burners there. It's not the right time of year to kick this on. I'll have to do another video showing how all of that works. This blower here is not the main blower that pulls the air up and through to the house. This instead takes any of the exhaust from the burning of the gas here and exhausts it out for safety purposes, just so there are no residual gas fumes or anything like that. So when the furnace, for heating or air conditioning is running, again, the blower down here, you can see the large blower inside of there. It's like a big fan. It pulls the air. It pulls it from the cold air return through the filter and pushes it up then to either be heated through this box or cooled through that box and up into the house. That's effectively how this thing works, and I will do more videos later to demonstrate exactly how the heating process in a furnace like this works. This is the gas meter. We can see where the gas comes in from the service provider into the meter where it tracks consumption, and then out and into the house. So that is where it supplies gas for any gas appliances, which could include water heating, furnace, kitchen cooking appliances, stoves, ovens, etc., or other uses like that. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope it was helpful. If you did find this helpful, please do consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thanks.